Jason, and and this is part 2 of building my Season 4 Mixels. I'm going to build another dark guy, and looks like his name is Vampos. Kind of looks like a vampire / bat. I don't know why everybody's in this one is / freaky monster. I mean, the next one that I'm going to build is going to be a spider. See, it's next in line. It's going to be freaky. Looks like he's going to be fun to build, and yeah, it's going to be cool. So this is Vampos. He looks a little bit weird. I don't really get how it's built. It's kind of weird. Got a little mixed up. And this one came with a Nixel. It's one Nixel I've never seen before. So it's pretty cool. And now I've built Globert and Vampos. And they're pretty cool characters. And the Nixels look pretty cool in this one. But it looks like this one has skis. I'm skiing! Bye-bye, and it's a wrap!